Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can add or hide an application to your Windows home screen. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for the first tutorial of this video, let me show you how you can hide an application in your Windows home screen. So to hide an application in your Windows home screen, it's actually pretty easy. All you gotta do is right-click the application that you want to hide. Then after that, you can now click the delete button to remove it in your home screen. And it's done. We have now hidden the application in our home screen. And don't worry guys, clicking the delete button won't completely delete the application in your PC. It will only remove the application from your home screen. And if you want to open the application, you can just search it in your Windows search, then you will be able to find it again. And so that's just how you hide an application in your home screen. So now that you know how to hide or remove an application on your Windows home screen, next, let me show you how to add an application to your home screen. So to add an application to your home screen, what I want you to do first is to go to your Windows search. Then just go and search for the application that you want to add to your home screen. And after you search, you will now be able to see the application. So now that you see the application, what I want you to do next is to go and click the Open File location. And after that, you can now just drag the icon of the app into your home screen. And then that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully added the application into your home screen. And so that's just how you remove and add an application into your Windows home screen guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.